Hi everybody, just visiting a garden center today, and I'm looking at some really interesting varieties of sedums, which I was telling you about, which are good for drought tolerant gardens as well as rock gardens. Here we have Siboldi, Sedum Siboldi variegata. Which is another variegated plant as well. And here is an interesting sedum, Sedum Tacasimensis atlantis variegata. I like this one. And we have sedum. Now this one's blooming, Angelina stonecrop, and you see how it's a lime color? Remember we were talking about the different colors and textures that you have in the garden? This is a very good example where you can use different kinds of textures and colors to make a garden interesting without even having any flowers. So you don't need flowers to make a garden colorful and interesting. You can use texture and color of foliage. And here is a red sedum dark magic. I like to put different sedums together in combination. Here's a bluish gray foliage, blue spruce stonecrop. And see what happens when you put the lime and the sage green together. And here, and the different textures. Here's a little bit of the hens and chicks beside. And you can make all kinds of interesting combinations. Here's the Caucasian stonecrop red carpet, and then put that together with the Angelina stonecrop, and you've got an interesting combo right there. Different textures, different colors, blended together.